to tell you a little bit about some products that are out. AMPED America is distributed by J&B Distribution, and they handle a couple different products. Boris is here today. Boris is actually the manufacturer of amps, which is made here in America, in New Jersey. Boris makes it a point, even though that I say, you live in Jersey, he says, no, I don't. Go ahead, say it. I live in New York.
Yes, I am live in New York. Welcome to everybody. Yes, I am Boris, live in New York, and based of New Jersey, and we produce AMPED America in New Jersey, made in USA.
The translation is, I live in New York. No one can understand what he says, which is why I have to do this. So I'm going to run you through some products quickly. You can look online, whatever, figure it out on your own time. So we have the exclusive rights to AdCom. This just happened. We're launching here at CEDIA, and they have a couple of new products. They also have a whole bunch, not a whole bunch, the small range of products that they've always had, which are, you know, 555 SE, 565, 575, 585, all of which are still have the same quality and reliability as they've had for eons. Come with a 2-year warranty. If you have a problem, you call and talk to Boris. He'll get you through it. But generally the stuff works, and I'm knocking on wood just to make sure that remains the case. Over here we have the GIA 275. This is a little mini integrated amplifier. It's got Bluetooth, computer inputs, headphone output, a bunch of different things. Does not have a phono preamp on it. If you swing around to the back, all the different types of inputs that it has, and you can of course look online. This is the new GFP 915, it says. The American flag is here because we're now exclusively distributing it in America. Somebody needs to work on that sign. Anyway, it's a really great analog-based preamp that also has a phono preamp, has Bluetooth and tone controls, headphone output. I'm reading right off the thing, just like you guys. Optical USB. I don't know what it has. You can look on the website and figure it out. Roll around this way. AMPED is the company that Boris makes here in America, built in New Jersey. 400 watts a channel. This has been out for a little while. There's some press that's coming out on it. Most recently in the last year, we've gotten a lot of positive press on it. Preamp, let's see, has a DAC built into it, a phono preamp, a headphone amp, and 3 digital inputs, I believe, XLR and RCA out. These are the pieces that are coming out from AMPED right now. They're in development. I'm sure you would not be surprised when I tell you we have not been able to complete them because of a single IC chip that is required that we cannot get, that we haven't been able to obtain for more than a year now, in fact. But so this is 2-channel, so smaller version. This is 400 watts a channel, 250 watts a channel. This is 3 by 250, and this is 4 by 250. So no matter what you're doing, however you want to connect it up, go Atmos, go Dolby, go surround, you can put a whole stack of these together and put that system together. They do come with rack handles, so if you're doing a rack somewhere in a closet, you just screw them in, bang, and done. I would say definitely within the next year. Yeah, and hopefully this is the one that we are going to build first, the 3250, the 3-channel, because you have mate that with this, and now you've got a 5-channel system. Add another one of these 7, add another one 9, and then we'll do this one following that, which is just a little, you know, a little bit lower power. I mean, 250 watts is more than anybody ever needs. 400 watts is plenty. You know, start your car, melt something, mostly melt your inferior drive units in your speakers. I mean, if you want to see a louder, one of those single cone drivers, people build the giant chassis on them. If you want to launch one of those across the room and maybe kill somebody, just hook it up to this, turn the volume to max and hit play, and that thing will just launch right out of the cabinet.
Just a brief interruption, esteemed viewers. As you may know, I'm Tom Martin, Chief Content Officer of The Absolute Sound. We have a new product. It's on the Substack platform, and we're going to do some interesting things with Substack. First of which is reader questions and answers. Each Monday, readers will submit questions. We'll pick the most interesting ones and we'll answer the questions on Friday. We'll also have early access to articles and special blogs that don't appear anywhere else. We hope you'll join us. It's only a cost of a cup of coffee per month. Just check on the screen or in the show notes below. Thanks, and now back to the show.
All right, this is a new range of speakers from AQ, which is acoustic quality out of the Czech Republic. They are, one of the partners in AQ is actually a wood broker, and he provides the wood to the Project Factory in Czech and a number of other companies and furniture companies. So he's responsible for this beautiful, this is a true bent wood design. They use ScanSpeak drive units in most of them. You know, it's not really that hard to make a loudspeaker these days. It's hard to make a good loudspeaker or something attractive. These are $4,000 for the pair, and then they have a bookshelf version over there, which is $2,500, and that's all they have in this series right now. This just premiered at Expona this year. That was the first time it was shown in America. For filming, we're having fun here, and what else can I say? You know, we got some great beer. Go out and get yourself some beer. That's it. Anyway, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah.